Today I'm so excited to bring you a versatile cod dish that's lightly breaded with panko breadcrumbs and sautéed lightly in olive oil and just with a little bit of tomato and fresh parsley. So you're just going to begin the process little by little. You're just going to lightly wash your cod with a little bit of fresh squeezed lemon in water. Right now, I'm just showing you a little bit of how some of the frying will look once you get started. This is one of those dishes I call faster than the fast food line. So stay home and get healthy. So here we go. Here's the cod dish. Like I said, it's very versatile. You're going to use panko breadcrumbs and you're going to go in with the cod. This cod is dipped in a little bit of egg and seasoning, and then I just dip it on one side of the panko just to create a light crust on one side. This way you're saving some calories and just a little bit less carbs for some of your carb watchers. I have a little bit of garlic sauteing in the olive oil as I gently dip the cod into the panko breadcrumbs, and then you're just gonna lightly, very lightly put it into the pan. It only takes a few minutes to really saute. It's going to be about 4 minutes on each side. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up the whole pan with the cod. And if you want to bread both sides, you're welcome to. I think it works out great to just bread the one side. You get the flavor and a little less carbs, as I said. So here we are, and I left the garlic in to keep continuing giving the flavor. You can take it out in the end. The one side is finished, and now you're just gonna flip it over very, very gently, because at this point half the cod is cooked, and so it's a very delicate process till you flip everything completely over. And then once on that side, you flip it over, and I'm adding just a mixture. All this is water and a little bit of imported sweet paprika from Spain. I just give it a little swoosh, and I'm pouring it over there. If you have a little white wine, you can use that as well. Maybe a little fish sauce. And I'm going in with fresh parsley. And I actually chopped up these adorable baby heirloom tomatoes that I've been finding at my grocery store, and I absolutely love them. So I'm going to be dropping those in. I did go ahead and pre-chop them up, and then now I'm just dropping them in the pan and just basically just distribute them evenly. I have, at this point, the flame is on medium flame, and I'm gonna just let that saute for, you know what, probably it's about 5 minutes, but again, medium to low, letting all the flavors marry together. I do go in now with a little salt and pepper because I didn't put that in my panko breadcrumbs earlier. I just wanted to do just like the plain panko at that point. And just like I said, a little bit of salt and pepper for taste. It's a great light Italian dish. It's very versatile. I actually sometimes put it over spaghetti, or sometimes I'll just serve it just like it is on the plate with a side salad. You can do so many different things with it. So I'm just going to let it do its thing. Cover it up right now. Let it do its thing for another 5 minutes, but I am now going to put the lid on and cover it just for a few minutes. In the meantime, I think I'm going to go ahead and make a little bit of spaghetti. And you could choose spaghetti or a very, very fine linguine. Linguine normally can go with this dish, or spaghetti. And then the final uncovering is the cod in different ways that I served it. So you can also finish it off in the baking dish in the oven the last 5 minutes. Then plate it up, serve it with spaghetti. To be honest, the options are endless. Cod is a great, awesome dish that you can serve in so many different variations. Enjoy!